Hey loves, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a shower and body care routine for you guys in preparation for the summer. So if you guys are looking to have silky, smooth, glowy skin, along with tackling hyperpigmentation, ingrown hairs, and dark marks, keep on watching. First things first, I go into my bathroom and I light a candle. This candle is from Home Goods and it smells so good. Then I have some of the products that we are going to be using in the shower today. And this video is not sponsored, but I do have some things that were sent to me from Nis Anē Skincare that we're going to get into later on in this video. So I do have a eucalyptus plant in my shower. This just really helps de-stress me, and it also helps my sinuses as well. So I love having this in my shower. It is a must for me. I like to put on that shower and just make sure that it's not too hot and not too cold. I have pretty dry skin, and I noticed that when it's super hot, my skin dries out. But don't worry, because we're going to be locking in all that moisture and sealing in all the hydration in this routine. So hopping into the shower, I let that water hit my body, open up my pores, and today I'm using the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. The same makers who make the Bum Bum Cream, this is the same thing. It smells exactly like it. I go ahead and I put that all over my bristled brush that I got from EcoTools, and this has soft bristles, but it is still abrasive enough to make sure that you're going in and exfoliating the skin, scrubbing off the dead skin cells, and just leaving you nice and bright and smooth and soft. Now, this shower gel, honey, is $25, and I know not everybody is trying to spend $25 on a shower gel. Trust me, I get it. So I feel like a good dupe for this obviously would just be some good old Dove, honey. I love some Dove. And the OGX Coconut Oil Miracle Body Wash is amazing. It smells so good too. And I didn't show my feminine wash, but if you guys want to know what I use, it is the Honey Pot Sensitive Feminine Wash. For my girls with sensitive skin, definitely use the Raw Sugar Simply Body Wash. I find that this really does help my skin when I don't want to use anything too fragrant. This really works for me. Now we're on to exfoliating our skin. I exfoliate 3 times a week on my body. Today I'm going to use the Bath & Body Works Aromatherapy Sleep Sugar Scrub, and this is in chamomile and bergamot. I hope I pronounced that right. But I go in with this on my body. It is pretty fragrant, so I don't use this all the time when I'm exfoliating, but this is a nice alternative if you want something very sweet and great smelling on your skin. And I love the way it makes my skin look when I wash it all off. Now, I know you guys heard me talk about the Nis Anē Skincare, and she went ahead and sent me some of her products. The 2 products that she went ahead and sent me are her scrubs. I have a coffee scrub, and I also have a rose scrub as well. These scrubs are so moisturizing, they smell so good, but most importantly, I really do feel hydrated after I use it on my skin, and I love the way that my skin feels and looks when I go ahead and wash this off in the shower. 10 out of 10. It's become a staple in my body care routine, and she is going to be launching later on this year. I cannot wait for you guys to get your hands on this, but I'm telling you, did that. It's definitely going to ensure that you have silky, smooth, hydrated skin. The coffee scrub is my absolute favorite. I just feel like it's so invigorating on the skin. It makes my skin look alive, awake, and brightening. I love a good coffee scrub as well. Now, even though I only exfoliate my body 2 to 3 times a week, there is a scrub that I will use religiously 3 times a week, and that's the scrub that I make in my own home and that you guys can make in your own home as well. This has turmeric, lemon, coconut oil, olive oil, brown sugar, lavender oil, and rosemary oil for scarring as well. And I use this under my arms, my elbows, my knees, and my bikini area. And this, you guys, really brightens my underarms, brightens all those areas that I mentioned. It lightens it, and it really does help those ingrown hairs. I have been using this for about a year straight, and I mean, my underarms tell you everything that you need to know about this mixture. I do wax my underarms, but honestly, try this out. It's like the best thing that I've ever whipped up in my kitchen. No ingrowns, nothing. Now onto my legs and shaving. I'm using the EOS Shave Cream for dry skin, and honestly, my legs are the only area of my body that I do shave, so I really just do whatever I gotta do, but I do use a men's razor. It is the Bic 5-blade men's razor. And lastly, in the shower, we are going to focus on those feet. I use a pumice stone to get my heels and the rest of my feet during pedicures to make sure that they are staying nice and soft. Now, coming out of the shower, it is time to go ahead and do this body care routine where we are sealing in that moisture, hydrating our skin to make it look silky, smooth, and going ahead and using some products to make sure that we are keeping hyperpigmentation and ingrown hairs at bay. Now, the first product that I'm using is the PFB Vanish and Chroma Bright. This helps my ingrown hairs and helps lighten my bikini area. That's where I use it. And then I go ahead with the Cool Fix Serum. This is kind of like a gel actually, and it really just helps ingrown hairs, any razor bumps that you might have, wax bumps that you might have. It really reduces ingrowns and redness and irritation. Go ahead and place those anywhere that you have removed any hair, and you are good to go. Now back to our Nis Anē Skincare. She also sent me some whipped butter, you guys, and I'm so embarrassed that I'm even showing you guys like this, but I have used this down. It is so good. I'll put everything down in the description below so you guys can follow her and really support her and keep up to date with her updates and when she's launching. But this is a stellar product. It makes me feel so luxurious for one, but most importantly, it is definitely helping my skin become more glowy and so moisturized, and it is a go-to in my cabinet. Like, just look how glowy my skin looks. It's so soft too, I love it. She also went ahead and sent me 2 of her body oils. I love a good body oil, and it's so essential because you really want to go ahead and lock in that moisture. She sent me mango and this rose oil. Now, the rose oil is my favorite. It literally smells like you can actually eat it. I am obsessed. So I go ahead and put that all over my body after I use that whipped butter, and I just seal in, lock in all of that moisture. And honestly, you guys, because you guys don't have these products yet, I will go ahead and recommend for you guys to use some Eucerin. Eucerin is my favorite lotion because it's fragrance free, but on top of that, it really does help your skin feel so moisturized and smooth. But take a look at this shot. Like, look at that oil, and it really does absorb into your skin. It doesn't just sit onto your skin, it really does absorb. And last but not least, I am using my Arm & Hammer deodorant. This is aluminum free. I absolutely love this because it just doesn't have any harsh chemicals in it, and I don't really have to worry about aluminum seeping into my body. So that's great. And you guys have come to the end of the video of my shower and body care routine in preparation for the summer, just tackling those ingrown hairs, the hyperpigmentation, the dark marks, and making sure that our skin is soft, silky, and glowy. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Make sure that you leave me a comment down below and like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.